We are told the universe has a pattern, a perfect golden cosmic fingerprint left behind by the afterglow of the Big Bang, which we call the cosmic microwave background. For decades, this map was the ultimate proof of our origins, a flawless record of the first light to ever travel through the dark. We sent satellites into the silent void to capture this image, expecting to see a uniform sea of energy. But when the data came back, it revealed something that shouldn't be there. We found the Bruise. Deep in the constellation of Eridanus, there is a region of space so large and so impossibly cold that it threatens to tear our entire understanding of physics apart. It is a massive hole in the afterglow of creation that defies every law of cosmology we have ever written. This is the Eridanus Supervoid, better known as the CMB Cold Spot, and it might be the most terrifying thing humanity has ever discovered. To understand why this is such a crisis, you have to understand the sheer, terrifying scale. Our entire Milky Way galaxy, with its billions of stars, is a microscopic speck compared to this. Even the famous Buddhist void, the great nothing, is just a minor pothole compared to this monster. The cold spot is nearly 2 billion light-years wide. It is a massive, frozen desert in the middle of a vibrant universe. If you were to travel through it at the speed of light, it would take you 2 billion years of traveling through total ink-black darkness just to see a single star again. But the real horror of the cold spot isn't the emptiness. It's the temperature. According to the standard model, the heat left over from the Big Bang should be almost exactly the same everywhere. A drop this massive is a mathematical impossibility. It's as if someone took a giant cosmic eraser and cleared a massive path through reality itself, leaving a freezing void where there should be light and life. This has led to the emergence of the collision theory, a concept so radical it sounds like science fiction. Some of the world's leading theoretical physicists believe the cold spot isn't a void at all. They believe it is a bruise. Imagine for a moment that our entire universe is not everything that exists. Imagine that our reality is just one tiny bubble floating in a vast ocean of other bubble universes, the multiverse. In this ocean, universes drift, grow, and occasionally they collide. The collision theory suggests that billions of years ago, another universe drifted too close to ours. They didn't just pass by, they slammed into each other. The cold spot would be the point of impact, the place where another reality crashed into ours, leaving behind a massive freezing scar on the edge of our bubble. If this is true, we aren't just looking at a hole in space, we are looking at a window. It is a window into a place where the laws of physics might be completely alien, where the stars are made of matter we can't imagine, and where our Big Bang never happened. We are standing on the surface of a thin bubble, staring at the place where it nearly popped. The universe is far larger, far colder, and far more crowded than we ever imagined. And somewhere out there, beyond the bruise, something is waiting for the next collision. The silence is not empty. It is a warning. Final.